Welcome. I've been asked if I could just make another video just to clarify how to turn the Klavis Twin Waves into something that sort of simulates a complex oscillator. Now, the way that this is set up is that the Twin Waves is basically two oscillators, and let me unpatch everything. I'm on a bit of a wobbly surface, so it's probably going to move around a bit, but there we go. So what we have here are basically the three outputs from. Let me take this one as well. The three outputs from the Triatt. Okay, so these are then used to patch into various patch points here. Both oscillator 2 then is the modulating oscillator, and oscillator 1 becomes the carrier, which is what we hear here. The first thing first is basically the output of oscillator 2 is put into the sync, and we get a choice of a selection. So we can have no sync, we can have soft, which is the SC or SO, and then the hard sync. So you can move between any of those two, at least in terms of soft and hard sync. So let's have it on soft. So there we go. So we have that. Next thing we're going to do is that we're going to control the pitch of oscillator 1 via this first sort of attenuverter on the Triatt. Output 2, we're going to affect parameter 1, which on the sine wave, you know, here, you can just hear this shifting. And then finally with output 3, we're going to be affecting the parameter for oscillator 2, which, because it's a square wave, it's PWM. So that's what we have there. So that's essentially how we turn it into a complex oscillator of sorts.